Hey YouTube, I have a problem, and it's not the cat problem. I found my cat somewhere. Uh, my Xbox. Do you not hear this? I know you gotta hear that. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Um, what am I supposed to do about that? Yeah, I know someone's probably gonna be like, "Oh, Microsoft sucks. Get PS3 or PS4." No, no. I'm gonna stick with my Xbox because I had a PS3 and someone stole it. So if I get a PS3, then someone's probably gonna steal it again. The only reason why they didn't steal the Xbox 360 because it was not there. Like I had it, but it was not there because it was at a different house. Anyways, I'm not saying I do like PS3 and I like PC games, but I don't have software to play PC games, and I just PS I don't even know how to explain. I just need to fix that. I'm thinking about buying just buying a new Xbox, but I don't have money to buy a new Xbox. I don't have money to buy software to play PC games, which that would be nice. I like PC games, but come on, someone has to know how to fix this. I just want to tap it a little bit. Hey, hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, you don't sound too good. Come on, buddy. You can do it. See, I don't know, but it doesn't make the noise when the what? See, when the game case opens, it doesn't make the noise. And my girlfriend's brother said, there it goes again. He said to get some airsoft or air spray, not hairspray, and spray it in there, and it would get all the dust out. Which I haven't done that yet, but it seems like a good idea. So whenever I get around to it, I'm gonna do it. But do it. Ooh. But yeah, if anyone has, what is that? There's a hair. I'm sorry. Sorry. If anyone knows how to fix this problem or whatever, comment, tell me. That would be nice. Also, if you want to be a friend of mine, on Xbox, hit me up. Appreciate it. I mean, I'm not just going to give out my gamer tag, so if you want to be a friend, send me a message and then just say why you want to be my friend. If you want to, I don't care. But you probably can see my gamer tag because it's right there if you've been paying attention. Yeah, my bad. Shouldn't even say that. Anyways, yeah, yeah. Okay, I hope none of y'all have problems like this. Like this. I just want to take a hammer and beat you to death sometimes. God. I'm going to one day. Whenever I get a new 360, I'm going to record me doing something to this one. And you're gonna have to watch it. Hey Brownie. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Okay. I'm gonna go. Have a good day, y'all.